at the SmartSimple Labs, the team has been working furiously to solve the great resource strain and provide weary users with a respite from this heavy administrative burden. The solution? An upcoming new feature SmartSimple Labs hopes will change the way numbers are pulled and reported on from Excel spreadsheets. The feature? Codename Connect Excel. When figures fit in an Excel spreadsheet and those numbers need to be included in a submission to the funders through SmartSimple, Connect Excel enables you to get data out of your Excel file quickly and painlessly. The process is as simple as the grantee uploading and saving their spreadsheet in the system. The system will then automatically pull out the correct figures or even full summary tables and populate them into the appropriate summary field in the grant record itself. What a real 21st century solution! Setting up Connect Excel is easy. As long as you're an administrator role for the UTA, you'll have access to do so. All you need to do is in the Grants Manager, set up a new custom or multiple upload field and enable Excel parsing. You'll then just need to map the fields in the system with the table or the field in the spreadsheet. Now that's reporting made easy. Now the SmartSimple community can breathe a little easier knowing that SmartSimple Labs has created a world where grantee reporting is as easy as popping the top of your bottle of soda pop. With just a few clicks to upload your spreadsheet, Connect Excel automatically populates all of the vital fields you ask for your grantees to report. It's so easy, your grantees will love the process as much as they love rich, chocolatey Ovaltine. This newsreel was presented by SmartSimple Productions. For more videos, visit our YouTube channel.